Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your Microsoft Teams subscription plan. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you're using Microsoft Teams and you wish to go to a higher plan, for instance, from free to a paid plan, just go and log into your Microsoft Teams account and then head over to your profile icon on top here, and next to it, we have these three dots. If you tap on it, you can see we have this option for settings. Go to settings, and this will enable this sidebar menu, and under it you can see we have this second last option, which is plans and upgrades. If you tap on it, now you'll be able to see various options to upgrade your plan. Currently I'm on this free plan, and if you wish to upgrade, now just go to upgrade here. By tapping on upgrade subscription, this will take you to various plans that are offered by Microsoft Teams. You can now choose your preferred plan that you wish to upgrade to. So choose your plan here, and by just tapping on buy now, for instance, if I tap on this, now I'll be taken to this page where I can proceed and tap on next, and then enter your payment details before you can upgrade to this higher plan. So here, choose your preferred card, whether Visa or MasterCard or American Express. Enter your details before you complete your upgrade. So that's how you can upgrade your subscription plan in Microsoft Teams. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.